Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, welcome to another Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. This week sure has been a busy week for us all. On Wednesday, our Year 3 and Year 4 students participated in their athletics carnival at Casey Fields. It was wonderful to see students participating in a range of different activities and for them being so excited, accepting their ribbons and awards on the day. I thank our PE staff of Dale Carey, Glenn Shaw, Vicky Turnbull for preparing the event and making sure the day ran smoothly for all. Also, thank you to our home group teachers who participated on the day and were involved in the activities with the students. Our Year 5 and 6 Athletics Carnival is occurring today, Friday, and we wish all our Year 5 and 6 students all the best. Have a wonderful day. You may have seen this week during pick-up and drop-off time a range of Casey Council members outside of our school grounds. They are here promoting road safety around our school. We know in the mornings and in the afternoons it is very busy. There is a lot of traffic and cars, and it's very important that we promote good road safety for all of our students and our parents. When you cross the road, make sure you cross at a crossing. This is very, very important, particularly at those peak times of pick up and drop off. Also, when being safe when going home, if you have a scooter or if you are riding your bike home, you should be wearing a helmet. It is the law. If teachers see you without a helmet, we will ask you to step off your scooter or off your bike and to walk at home. This is for your safety. So remember, if you have a scooter or if you have a bike and you are coming to school, make sure that you have a helmet. That's all for this week. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, and we look forward to hearing about how our 5-6s went at athletics today. Have a great day.
The grade 3s and 4s had their athletics day on Wednesday at Casey Fields. It was a fantastic day all around. Everyone did a great job. After all the efforts from everyone, Ruffy is in the lead with 5,240 house points, with the other house teams not far behind. The trophy could go to any of the houses. Grades 5s and 6 are athletics today. Good luck to them.
Hi everyone, who's ready for a riddle? Here we go. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, time's up. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? A coin. Well done if you got that one. It was a little bit tricky this week. Have a wonderful week everyone, and I'll see you all